guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm here with a top knot bun tutorial. I feel like it's been long. I did a head tutorial and I just decided to do this one today. So this is practically a tutorial for beginners. So right now I'm detangling my hair and I'm going to use this olive oil heat protecting ointment to oil my hair because I'm going to be using heat or applying heat onto my hair. Then I'll go into my professional steam pod or steam or babyliss. Okay, you use water, that's why I'm calling it a steam pod or whatever the name is. I'm going to leave it down in the description box below. So I'm just going ahead to straighten my hair or to stretch my hair to make the process easy, okay, because I have 4C hair and it is really hard. And sometimes when I do like a bun, or when I want to do a bun, or when I want to just sleek my hair, it is not really easy. It gets very rough. So I decided to use a straightener today.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So the next thing is to finally put my hair in a bun, and what I do is I always work in small parts. Like working in smaller parts make the work easy, especially if you have my type of hair, 4C hair, or maybe your hair is just hard. So I'm going to be taking the hair in small parts, then using my thread to tie it up. Then after that, I'm going to brush my hair using my Denman brush just to make everything look really smooth. I applied a little bit of eco gel onto my hair to make it to make my hair softer or to feel softer and to make the process easy as well. So I'm going to put everything up into a bun and then go ahead to tie up my thread, and basically that'll be it.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So after having this sleeked bun, though it's not really sleek, I'm going to sleek it very well at the end. Told you guys, 4C hair is not easy to achieve a very sleek bun. So I'm going to go into my scarf, this black scarf. I use this particular one because it doesn't soak the gel, okay. It is kind of like a sliding material, or I don't know how to call it, if I'm saying it right. So I'm just going to tie onto my hair just to make sure it lays down very well. Then I'm going to go into my braiding hair. I already how do they call it, is it stretch, or I already arranged the braiding hair in such a way that it doesn't have straight ends. Okay, then after some time, after letting my hair to get dry, I'm going to go ahead and remove my scarf, and everything looks laid down as you guys can see. Then I'm going to go ahead and start attaching my braid onto my hair. So I'll make sure, or you want to make sure the rubber band you're using is hard, because I'm going to wrap it onto that small part of my hair that I have up there, over and over and over. And you don't want to leave space, because it's actually going to disturb me now, because I left a little bit of space. You guys are just going to see. Then I'm leaving this small part so that when I wrap my bun, I'm just going to make this little cute wrapping under the bun. So I'm going right now to detangle the braiding hair. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be twisting the hair and trying to create the top knot bun. So after getting that, I'm going to go into my bobby pins and I'm going to pin in the hair just to make it stronger. Then I'm going to my got2b glue to put in any flyouts, or to sleek or make any flyouts lay down. Okay, and that's basically it for this hair tutorial. The next, I'm going to go into my black gel to make my hair look darker and to make my hair look sleek even more. This dark gel helped me a lot because I have really light edges, so it makes my edges look really flawless. Then I'm going to go into my edge wax to lay my edges. So I'm going to do this one more time using my scarf to make everything I have done to look sleek and well laid down. So I'm just going to tie that for a few minutes and then I'll take it off. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and beat the hell out of my face, and then that's practically it for this video. So the black gel actually makes your fingers look dark, so I had to go wash it off. So this is how my hair looks like. It looks really flawless, sorry. So I went ahead to beat my face, and then that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, tell me what you think about this hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.